How could you?
I can explain.
I didn't. I carried our children, and you betray us?
Please, I made a mistake.
I trusted you, and this is what I get?
I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
I will not let you hurt us again. You will earn our trust or leave. This is your last chance. I will protect my babies, no matter what. I don't deserve your forgiveness. This is your last chance.